In today's video, I am going to teach you how to delete a bucket in Microsoft Planner. To begin, open Microsoft Planner in your web browser and make sure you are signed in to the correct work or school account. Once you are in Planner, you will want to navigate to the plan where the bucket currently lives. In this example, we are going into a plan under a section called Project Management. Select that plan so you are taken to the board view, where your tasks are organized into columns, and each column represents a bucket. Before you delete anything, take a moment to confirm you have chosen the right bucket. Deleting a bucket is a structural change to your plan, and it can affect how your tasks are organized. If you have tasks inside the bucket you are removing, consider reviewing them first so you understand what will happen after the bucket is gone. Now, locate the bucket you want to delete on the board. At the top of that bucket column, click directly on the bucket header area where the bucket name appears. This opens the Bucket Options menu. If you do not see the menu right away, click carefully on the bucket title area again and look for the drop-down or menu options associated with that bucket. In the menu that appears, click Delete. This is the option specifically meant for removing the bucket from your plan. After you select Delete, Microsoft Planner will typically show a confirmation prompt to make sure you did not click it by accident. When the confirmation window appears, click Delete again to confirm the action. This final confirmation is important because it is the step that actually completes the deletion. Once you confirm, the bucket will be removed from the board, and you will no longer see that column in your plan. If the bucket does not disappear immediately, give the page a moment to update or refresh the browser tab. Also, keep in mind that you may need the right permissions in the plan to delete buckets. If the delete option is missing or grayed out, that usually means you do not have access to make that change. And that is all there is to it.